Good evening, Southeast Texas. Quiet weather over the area for the most part. Looking at mostly sunny skies over at, let's see, in Port Arthur, part of the Roofing 911 Sky Cam network. Little band of showers from Tyler County into south sections of Newton County. Maybe a couple showers in and around the triangle, but pretty quiet, as you can see. Those showers over and around Woodville, extending over towards Fred and Spurger. Otherwise, we're at 92 in Bevel Oaks. Bill's reporting 91 on our Weather Watcher network. In Hampshire, Tim Trahan at 91. It's 91 in Port Arthur, 92 in Orange, and over at Mauriceville, Lynn reporting 94. Further to the north in Jasper, 93. Across the state, temperatures mainly in the 90s. Rain cooling over towards Houston at the present time. And as you can see, triple digits in southwest Texas. Showers and storms over towards Houston and right along a stalled front off towards our north and east. Otherwise, pretty quiet except for the Panhandle and out in far west Texas. High pressure building on into our region through the weekend. Then as we head towards Labor Day, it weakens and we watch this disturbance come on down and move on into our area coming up late Labor Day into Monday. Notice the flow, northeasterly winds. That's good. Timing would be good should anything try to develop in the western Gulf of Mexico. Otherwise, you can see lots of moisture for that disturbance to work with. It looks like a pretty good chance of rain and thunderstorms as we head on into Labor Day and especially on Tuesday. Otherwise, in the tropics, we are watching Invest 91L. It's over Belize, and it is headed towards the western Gulf of Mexico. 30% shot of this developing. Highly uncertain forecast at this point. Models are all over the place because the system is so weak. But with a northerly flow developing in the upper levels, there's the high. The high moves off towards the west and weakens. There's the disturbance in the western Gulf of Mexico. A lot of shear out in the Gulf. But as that high moves away, we get a northerly flow. So that would tend to track everything off towards our east. Look at the northerly flow into Texas as we head into Tuesday. There's the disturbance. So I think this is going to be well off towards our east if it develops at all. It's just very uncertain at this point. Otherwise, just a classic textbook look to Hurricane Larry, which is a Cat 2 with winds of 100. This needs to be saved and put in a textbook because it is amazing. You can admire it because this is not expected to be a storm that's going to impact anybody. Moving west-northwest at 16. High certainty this will not come into the Gulf of Mexico. In fact, turning north in the open Atlantic. Bermuda is on the western envelope of the ensemble spread, but it looks like it's going to go mainly east of them, so it's good news there. Otherwise, it's expected to become a Cat 4 on Sunday and begin turning towards the northwest. Otherwise, this evening looks like a 10% coverage, maybe 20% coverage up in the lakes area, pretty quiet. Then tomorrow, I'm going to go a 30% coverage here in the triangle for tomorrow with very little up in the lakes area. Otherwise, high temperatures into the mid-90s expected in southeast Texas. So it's going to be a hot day. Otherwise, on the Gulf of Mexico, looking at slightly choppy seas around 1 to 2 feet tomorrow. Light and variable winds. 10 to 20% coverage tonight. Low to mid-70s lakes, mid-70s triangle tomorrow. About a 30% coverage in the triangle, less than a 10% coverage in the lakes with highs mid-90s. Sunday, just slim chances, but non-zero chances. Then as we head towards Monday, Labor Day, maybe late day, we see those showers and storms. Tuesday, I chose to keep it fairly conservative. Could be higher than what I have. Then rain chances start going down Wednesday in advance of a weak cold front that moves in on Thursday. Maybe a slight chance of showers in the morning and drier air filters on in. Ooh, next Friday looks nice.
Yeah, an early promise there of some better weather. Patrick, thank you.